A big backdoor deal is quietly brewing between the US and Iran, even after all the recent chaos of missile strikes between the two nations. According to CNN, US President Donald Trump is offering Iran a massive package of incentives to return to the negotiating table. While the deal includes unfreezing billions of dollars in Iranian money, lifting some sanctions, and helping Iran build its nuclear energy program, but strictly for peaceful purposes. Sources say that the US is ready to support an investment of $20 or $30 billion to help Iran build civilian nuclear facilities that cannot be used to make nuclear weapons. This investment would likely come from the US-friendly Gulf countries, not directly from America. One idea being discussed is turning Iran's Fordo nuclear site, which the US recently bombed, into a peaceful energy facility that don't involve uranium enrichment, the process needed to make nuclear bombs. But here's one big condition. The US is firm that Iran must completely stop enriching uranium. This has always been a deal breaker because Iran insists that it has the right to enrich uranium for energy purposes, while the US argues that even peaceful enrichment can easily be turned into weapon production. Despite the recent military tensions, secret talks between US officials and Iranian negotiators have continued. The discussions became more serious after Trump brokered a fragile ceasefire between Israel and Iran just this week. 5 rounds of US-Iran talks had already happened before Israel's airstrike paused everything, and now, with Qatar mediating, the talks are back on. Trump's special envoy to the Middle East told CNBC that the goal is to create a special kind of deal to what the United Arab Emirates has, a nuclear energy program that completely bans uranium enrichment. He also made it very clear that the US is willing to help Iran build a civilian nuclear industry, but only if it cannot ever be turned into a bomb-making program. In the meantime, President Trump, known for his unpredictable style, seemed unsure about how badly he even wants the deal. Speaking from the NATO summit, he said, "I don't care if I have an agreement or not." Still, insiders say that some of his team strongly believes a long-term deal is needed to prevent the fragile ceasefire from the falling apart.